Hello everyone, welcome back to the My English Fluency journey. And in this video, we are translating some basic daily use sentences from Hindi to English. And this encourages you to speak simple daily use sentences more fluently, and it reduces your thinking in English or thinking in Hindi and translating into the English. Yeah, so we'll try these 10 sentences and then translate these into English. Firstly, मैंने तुम्हें पहले ही ये बता दिया था. I already. I have already. I have told you already. I have told you already. I have already told you, right? Is more already told you. क्या वह अब भी वहाँ काम करता है like so. Is he, because is he or does he? Okay, because does he work? Does he work? Does he work? वहाँ भी, अब भी. Does he work here now? Okay. मुझे नहीं लगता कि वह मुझसे नाराज है. I don't think. Okay, I don't think he is. I think if someone is being okay, नाराज होना, that means हम नाराज कैसे होते हैं? Word for नाराज. He's. I don't know what the word for being नाराज. He's not talking to me. I don't think he's angry with me, or yeah, angry is gussa, right? He's. I don't think that. I don't think that. I don't think he's. Think that he is angry with me. I don't think he is angry with me. कृपया मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Please leave me alone. Okay, it's too easy, right? हम पिछले हफ्ते एक शादी में गए थे. We went to marriage. We went to the marriage. Previous week. Previous week we went to the marriage. We went to a marriage. Or that, I don't know. Let's. Okay. क्या तुम्हें मेरे सवाल का जवाब मिला? Did you मिला? Do you find? Did you find the solution to my question? Did you find the solution to my question? Okay. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि मैं पास हो जाऊंगा. I don't feel that. I'm not feeling because it is present future. I'm not feeling that I will pass. हो पाऊंगा. I will pass. क्या आपने टिकट बुक कर ली है? Have you booked the ticket? Okay. वो हमेशा सबकी मदद करता है. He always helps other, right? सबकी he always helps. He always helps others. He always helps others. Or he always help everyone. It's not he always helps others. वो हमेशा सबकी मदद करता है. Okay. The second one is अब बहुत देर हो चुकी है, हमें चलना चाहिए. Now it's too much. Or there means now it's too late. We should go. We must go. Must go. We must. Okay, now let's check the answers. You are improving, right? A lot. Okay, perfect and natural. Correct. Does he still work here? Okay, where is he? Does he still work here? Or whatever? Does he work here now? Still. Oh, yeah. We know that still means कि is it doing or not? Still means कि अब भी means still, right? So you should know not this, right? I don't think that he is angry with me. Okay, I don't think that he's angry with me. Contractions sound more natural. I don't think he's angry with me. Please leave me alone. Previous week we went to a marriage. We went to a wedding. We went to a wedding last week. Oh, previous. Please remove the word using previous. The correct or the more natural and more fluent is last. Last week we went to a marriage or we went to the marriage or a wedding, right? Because for the event we say wedding. Okay. Marriage is the relationship and wedding is the ceremony. Okay. We went to the wedding. Okay. Wedding anniversary, not a marriage anniversary. Oh, marriage anniversary and wedding, different things. Okay. Did you find the solution to my question? Did you get the answer to my question? It's more natural. Answer to a solution or answer to a question is more natural than solution. Solution is used with problems. Answer is used with questions. Okay, I know this. I know this, but why? Why? Because we don't know how to use these type of words, or because we always think in Hindi. On Hindi, the problem or the solution or the answer are same. That means so we use these words don't correctly. So we need to learn where to use what words. So that's why I'm doing this exercise, right? I don't feel like I will pass. I don't feel. I'm not feeling that. I don't feel like expressing doubt and intuition. I'm not feeling is awkward here because okay. Have you booked a ticket? He always help others. He always help others. He always helps others. Okay, I'm getting it. Now it's too late. We must go. Okay, it's too late. It's too late now. We must go. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, let's revise. Uh, Firstly, I will just copy it. Let's revise previous day's exercise. मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो ऐसा करेगा. I don't feel that he'll do. I don't feel that he'll do these type of things. Okay. I don't think he'll do it. I don't think he'll do it. I don't think he'll do it. क्या तुमने मुझे पुकारा? Did you call me? Okay. Did you call me? Okay. It's correct, right? Okay. ये बहुत महंगा है. मैं इससे नहीं खरीद सकता. It's too expensive. I can't buy it. Okay. Give me some time to think. Give me some time to think. Right? Do you need something to eat? We have already met once. I have not been feeling well for yesterday. I haven't been feeling well since yesterday. Since yesterday because it's common in everyday speech. He apologized to me. He apologized to me. Okay, there's only a spelling error. Okay, he said sorry to me. Did you close the door? Did he close the door? We need to hurry up, otherwise it's late. We need to hurry up, otherwise we will be late. Okay, sometimes he says you have to expand or you have to shorten the sentences for communications fluency. So just and this way I do this. Yeah, it's easy like it. I'm now able to do it, right? Okay. So yeah, now we will do some other exercise. Thank you so much. Please support me because I'm new to the YouTube. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.